The bike loan scheme is easy to sign up to and available to staff and students alike. Simply enter your details online and you're ready to collect the keys from the university's main reception. It's a simple program which can easily be used and adapted by other universities and companies. All bikes come with a lock and mudguard. The university has also partnered up with the charity Spokes, which offers students with learning difficulties a chance to work and improve their skills. They run an on-campus bike shop, which is open to members of the bike loan scheme as well as students and staff who already have got their own bikes. There they have the skills and tools to fix any trouble you might have with your bike, and with this makes replacing 4 wheels for 2 a great and money-saving experience for staff and students alike. In addition to immediate access to a bike, members of the bike loan scheme also get a free helmet, as for us safety always comes first. All this for only £20 a year. This makes it an affordable and easy way to travel greener, as well as reduce the university's carbon footprint